What's up, guys? So winter is finally here. I'm happy for it, but today we're gonna talk about the clutch. Let's talk about clutch, baby. I've seen that a lot of people are talking about and really don't know nothing about the subject, especially in BMW. So what is that important with this clutch? And keep in mind that it's only a pedal. Yeah, the clutch is the whole assembly underneath the car, in the engine itself and the transmission box. A very important thing that you all have to know is that the clutch, it is a changeable part. So in every car, like you change the brakes or you change the oil in the car, there comes a time, and that depends on the car that you have, when you have to change the clutch. Strictly about BMWs for now, it's a general topic, and I can say that it can be applied to other cars also. So especially in BMWs, the clutch pedal, it's a lot stiffer than in other cars. The clutch pedal in BMWs, the manual ones, of course, it's a little bit harder to press than in another type of cars. If you ever driven BMW, especially the older models, so when you depress the pedal, it has a big push to it, so you can feel it. You really feel that you're pushing. Now the big difference is in your sensitivity, as I can say. If you buy a second-hand car, and you buy a BMW, with the time that the car goes on the road and has a lot of mileage, you'll see that the clutch, this is a pretty important thing, you'll see that the clutch will be harder to press. So when your clutch is getting, if you drive the car for like I don't know, 1 year or 2 years, and you see that the clutch is harder and harder to press, warning sign that you'll have to change your clutch assembly or even the flywheel. The flywheel, it's a separate thing. We'll talk about that in a new video. There are some key factors to keep in mind when changing the clutch and the flywheel together, but today we'll talk strictly on the clutch part. It's pretty easily to see when your clutch is really hard, the clutch pedal is really hard to press. So the first thing that you'll notice is that your left foot will start to get tired over a short period of time. If you're driving in the city for, I don't know, half an hour or an hour, your leg will be very tired and you'll have an ankle sore. So keep that in mind. And another thing that is pretty important is how to know that your clutch is in good standing order. The clutch pedal goes from the top position to the bottom one. I'm gonna press it with half of my foot, so you can see, to the top and the end position there, and that is the entire course. I'm gonna press it with my hand and hopefully you'll understand. So from this point here to the carpet, I think it's about, I don't know, like a palm. It's like 15 centimeters or so. When the clutch is brand new, the best correct position and the part that your clutch will gonna function and engage the transmission, it's right in the middle. Press it really hard. It's really important from this position that it will let the car go, not here and not over here. So I was telling you about the BMW clutches that are harder to depress. So the perfect position when your clutch is brand new, so mine is brand new now, for now, I just driven only 1k or 2k kilometers. My clutch is holding around here, so this is the middle point. And now it's pretty simple to know if your clutch is worn. If you let go of the clutch and it's not holding, it's not going to put you in motion on the first part and till the middle, and it's only here when it has a little part of his course to the end, then you know that the clutch is worn out and you have to exchange the whole assembly. I'll show you again how the clutch works. This is my furthest position from the 0 point. Okay, so this is 0 point. Okay, this is fully depressed. Around here, as you can see, the pedal, now the car is engaging, and over here it is completely off and the car is in gear or in mute. Yeah, so not in this position, not in that, it's in the middle. Let's go again. I want to see the ground. Yes, middle position. I don't know if I can show with my right foot. Let's see. Okay, so you see the pedal and you see the car is moving when I'm letting it go to the middle part. So I think that is the simple way to explain it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. And if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up. And why not subscribe to the channel to learn together some new cool stuff about our cars.